YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby Patchouli, and on this channel I talk about curls and self-development. Today's video I will be bringing my curls back to life because my curls have been going through it. It's gonna be a curly hair video and I'm going to be focusing on bringing some moisture back into this hair. So what I decided to do is to purchase my favorite. This is a product that I love. It has never failed me, and that is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Before Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. This is my favorite hair mask. This one you can leave it in for 5 minutes, but for extra conditioning you can leave it in your hair for up to 30 minutes. For my shampoo, I'm going to use one of my favorites is the Maui Moisture Nourish and Moisture Coconut Milk Shampoo. This is for dry hair. This is gonna be my shampoo. This is gonna be my deep conditioner. These are targeted for dry hair. For my styling products, I'm going to be using more products that are targeted for moisturizing because that is what I need. I'm gonna use the Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream by Mayel. For my hold, it's gonna be the My Moisture Flexible Hold plus Coconut Milk Curl Foam Mousse. Now we are freshly washed. I already have my leave-in conditioner. When it comes to bringing your curls back to life and giving your curls a bit more TLC, you first have to determine what is the issue that you are currently having with your curls. For me, it is dryness. So I chose products that have moisturizing agents, that have butters, that have oils in them. So look in the ingredient list and make sure that they have things like shea butter, coconut oil, aloe vera, and I'll list a few more ingredients here. When you're looking for a deep conditioner, look for mass. Look for a product that is thicker in consistency. You want to make sure that you are styling on wet hair. The water that I'm using in my spray bottle, it is purified water. You can use purified water, distilled water, alkaline water, anything that is just not tap water, because tap water, especially if you have hard water, which most of us do, can really dry out your hair. Let's section the crown area. We will have to put more water when we're styling this section because it is going to get dry. Now let's start working in the back. I'm going to section from the middle of my ears. This is the section that I'm working with. I'm going to be going in with the Mayel Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream. This is a cream, so it is going to moisturize our curls a lot more. It says provide your hair with deep penetrating moisture while achieving effortless style results with this double duty gel cream. This unique product is light enough to moisturize and nourish the hair without weighing it down, but powerful enough to tame frizz and provide the perfect hold for your favorite styles. It says it works as a gel cream, but I'm still going to be going in with my mousse. The ingredients: this has sweet almond oil, it has glycerin, which is really good if you have low porosity hair. It also has rosemary oil, peppermint oil, has aloe vera, it has ginger root oil, coconut oil, chamomile flower extract, nettle extract. Nettle is known to help with hair growth. It has honey and biotin. So because I'm sectioning my hair, I'm only going to apply a small, very little to the back. I'm going to use my brush and just brush through. For the back, I'm not twisting my brush in any way. I'm just trying to flatten out all my hairs because I want the back to dry down. Now let's move on to our next section, and this section will be a little bit bigger. It's gonna go from the top, from our temple. I'm gonna get that section. Let me show you how big of the section it is. Since the second section is bigger than the first section, I'm going to go in with a bit more. That much. Make sure I'm putting some on the sides, and then I'm gonna go in with my brush and brush it down. Then I'm gonna brush this section up. Brush the sides down. Brush this section up. I'm gonna just do this whole section together. So it will be a bit more, not that much. Now this doesn't have to be perfect. This is just to make sure that we are getting the product onto every single strand. That's why I'm brush styling, and it's also gonna help with frizz as well. And it's just gonna help with smoothing the flyaways. Again, this part does not need to be perfect because we are going to go in later with our fingers when we are applying our mousse. Okay, so now let's work on the top. Let's wet it. It has dried up. Take the front curls and finger coil because they are my most difficult curls, which is okay, just gotta give them a bit more love. The reason why I am using a mousse, even though I'm using this, which should just be a one step, is because I want to try to prolong my curly hair routine. Been having a really hard time with getting more days out of my hair routine. I'm going to be applying it with my fingers. We're gonna rake the product through. I'm gonna use 3 pumps. So that should be enough. So now we can use our fingers here. So yes, we are breaking up the curls that we just formed with the brush, but that's okay, because this is what's gonna give our hair movement. You can also use the praying hands technique to smooth out your flyaways, to smooth out the curls. The hair is styled. I am happy with it. I feel like there's enough water, there's enough moisture. Now we are going to go in with the diffuser. The technique I'm gonna be using is gonna be the hover technique. We're fully dry now. Definitely have a cast. We have one more step, and that is to seal everything we just did, as well as scrunching the cast. The way I'm gonna scrunch this cast is gonna be with jojoba oil, and this is also gonna be adding more moisture into our hair. Just a few drops. Just give our scalps a massage. All right, so this is it. So far so good. I still feel a cast, which most likely means my hair will last more than just a day and a half. I do have some clumps. I'm not gonna declump them today because the longer you keep the clumps, the more days this will last. Without declumping, I still have a good amount of volume. I'm very happy with. Let's see if I have movement, if I can style my hair like this if I want to. Now let's see this side. All right. So the reason why I have clumps but not too much to the point where my hair doesn't look full is because I use the brush, so that gives us clumps, and I also use fingers to separate the clumps that were formed. My hair does feel moisturized, but I'm gonna see how it feels the next few days. See if this routine helps me, if this is the cure for my dry hair. These are my results for today's restoring dry curly hair, doing a curl routine that's specifically to bring back the moisture into your curls, into your hair, hydration. I hope that you guys liked it. If you have any questions, as always, leave a comment down below. Subscribe, it helps my channel, and I'll see you guys next week in another video.